Are you looking for the best electric scooters for college student? In this video we will look at some of the best electric scooters for college student on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Razer A5 Lux Electric Scooters. Our first and only Razer scooter included in our list here. The A5 Lux is one that is made from strong aluminium tubes and deck, which should provide support over the firmest of terrain. We should point out that the materials used in the production of this model are the same used in aircraft-grade vehicles. Controlling speed is where this scooter shines, as the patented rear brake has been designed for brake efficiency, allowing you to control your speeds perfectly. The lightweight frame of this scooter makes it one of the most desirable products on the market today, allowing you to transport it with ease. Why we liked it? Razer is one of the more reputable brands for scooters, so they were always going to be included in our list here in some form. The A5 Lux is one of the more proficient products from the company, it's why we've kicked off our list with it. At number 2, HUDORA 205 Electric Scooters. Something a little more portable for you. The HUDORA 205 comes with a shoulder strap that allows you to easily move around with this one without there being too many issues to worry about. Again, this is a lightweight option for you, one that comes in a range of different colors, so personal preferences will reign here. This one is made from aluminium tubing, a very sturdy metal, as you'll come to know from some of the other scooters included in this list. What makes the 205 different to its predecessors is the portability of it, which is something that every avid scooter can get behind. Why we liked it? There are quite a few HUDORA 205 products to choose from. Each are great in their own way. What makes the 205 great is the portability of it. Given its lightweight, you can take it just about anywhere. At number 3, Hikole Commuter Electric Scooters. We really enjoyed our time with the Hikole Commuter scooter, simply because of how freeing it felt to ride it, and its folding technology that made it very simple to slide in and out of its multiple forms. The stylish design of this scooter makes it very pleasing on the eyes, which is where most will purchase this one. We think you'll be happy with this one in general, but the look definitely helps. A great feature for this commuter scooter is the ability to have it stand on its own, akin to a bike, with the use of a small leg that can be pushed down. It's the little things about this scooter that really highlight the benefits of riding around on this scooter. Why we liked it? The design of this scooter really did it for us. So if you are looking to purchase something with flair, then you should be wanting to check out the Hikole Commuter. It's also very comfortable to ride. At number 4, Razer A6 Electric Scooters. When scooters call themselves commuter scooters, they mean it. The Razer A6 is a commuter scooter through and through, allowing you to travel many distances with little wear and tear to the performance of riding it outright. Military-grade aluminium tubing can be found in this one. The deck is also made from this material, which will make for a very safe and sturdy ride. The retractable kickstand will very rarely jam when making this scooter portable, which is never a bad thing, as this is known to be quite an issue amongst other scooter enthusiasts. The wheels of this scooter have been optimized so that you can cross various forms of terrain with minimal limitations. At number 5, Fast 88 Easy Folding Electric Scooters. Fast 88 are one of the more known names within the adult scooter market, and with good reason. The easy folding aspect of this scooter makes it very simple to transport, which means you can take it with you to lectures and have it sit between your feet. This one is a little heavier than some of the other scooters included here, but this is purposeful to allow for a much safer ride. The Fast 88 has been designed so that you can travel fast speeds, as the name of the company suggests. The oversized wheels allow you to pick up speeds a lot simpler. The highlights of this scooter come via the easy folding system that it alludes to in the name. You can fold this one down in only 3 seconds. Why we liked it? We enjoyed the ability to quickly take this one from a riding position to a carrying position a lot. If you are in a hurry, then this one has a lot of characteristics that people will enjoy. At number 6, Razer 13,013,205 A5 Air Electric Scooters. Razer is back again. The A5 Air is one that comes with strong aluminium frames and anti-rattle handlebars, which is a great addition as it will mean that your rides are a sturdy one. These handlebars can be set to a height you are comfortable with very easily. From here you will be ready to go. The soft rubber grips only add to the list of highlights of this one too, providing excellent support. The slick black design is very pleasing to look at, and given the comfort of riding this one, we think it's safe to say that this one comes with a lot of highlights. Aluminium is used in the frame and bars of this scooter, so you know it's durable. Why we liked it: the support we were given when testing this scooter out is phenomenal. Riding this scooter feels effortless, which is what you need. The black design of this one is very nice to look at too. At number 7, MONODEAL adjustable electric scooters. MONODEAL have quite a few products out in the market presently, but their best product hands down is the MONODEAL adjustable scooter, simply because of the number of options you are given from the jump. There is a lot you can adjust to this scooter, which includes the height of the handlebars as well as the positioning of the grips too. High-density reinforced aluminium makes this scooter very durable also. The low deck clearance makes for a very simple ride indeed, allowing you to step on and off with the greatest of ease. You will not find a more durable scooter on the market right now than this one. The rear brake on the scooter is very responsive to your ride also. Why we liked it: the options are seemingly endless with this scooter, which is why we are so happy to include it in our list here. Looking for a simple yet effective ride? Then this one should tick a lot of boxes. At number 8, XOOTR MG QuickClick electric scooters. The final scooter included in our list is the XOOTR QuickClick, one that comes with optimal folding capabilities. The latch found in this scooter is very sturdy, which allows one to snap in and out of the different settings of this one. The large polyurethane wheels make for an ultra-fast glide with barely any resistance from the ground itself. This scooter comes with 2 brakes, one fitted at the front and one fitted at the back of the scooter. These scooters are assembled by hand, which guarantees quality with every purchase made. We noticed that this scooter is incredibly responsive to all of our physical inputs, which is always going to help you when out on the road for real. Why we liked it: we really enjoyed this scooter for its simple approach to the design. The fact that you can quickly ride this one is always going to be positive for us. The deck of this one is quite wide too, which makes it very simple to ride.